Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Today we bring you a special extended news broadcast. South Sudan is facing critical moment. Insecurity, political trial and threat fighting are reshaping South Sudan. Here are the main stories. We are going to talk about the shocking gun attack on Dr. Reath Koang, Director General of Health in Jonglei State. Second, a violent clash in Mayiendit, Unity State, leaving 2 people injured. Third, the recapture of Kadiba military base in Mundri by the South Sudan People Defense Forces. And finally, we are going to talk about the ongoing treason and murder trial of Dr. Machar, plus the controversial appointment by President Salva Kiir Mayiendit that many believe are sending a dangerous political message. Stay with us as we cover this event in detail. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update. Let's start first with our first story. On the morning of October 8, gunfire shocked the road of Jonglei State. Dr. Reath Koang, the Director General of Ministry of Health, were traveling to Boton. Suddenly, army men opened fire on his car. The vehicle was riddled with bullets. By a miracle, Dr. Reath survived. The attack remained unknown. No group has claimed responsibility, but this incident raises serious questions. Why target a healthy official, a man responsible for a hospital and clinic? What message are the attackers sending? For the people of Jonglei, this is not just about one man. It is about insecurity across the state. If gunmen can strike a top official, what safety do ordinary citizens have? Families are asking, when will the government protect its people? For now, investigations are promised, but the people wait as always for real justice to take place. Now to Western Equatoria, where fighting continue. The South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) say they have recaptured the Kadiba military base in Mundri County, which had been taken day earlier by a joint force of National Salvation Front and the SPLA-IO. According to the SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lul Koang, the rebel group attacked on September 24th at 4 a.m., killing 5 soldiers and burning unarmored vehicles. But on September 30, the South Sudan People Defense Force, SSPDF, launched a counter-offensive and regained control of the base. Lul Koang added that on October 6, government troops advanced near Nagro town, faced ambush and roadblock. The SSPDF claimed they fought back and killed 7 rebels. Social media posts show 5 dead bodies in civilian clothes with claim they were civilian killed by SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force. Lul Koang denied this, saying, "We did not go hours to hours. Those killed were fighters and many opposition soldiers wear civilian clothes. The opposition soldiers wear civilian clothes. He admitted that livestock were accidentally shot because the clash happened near a market. For now, opposition forces have not commented. But the battle showed that even after peace agreement, part of Western Equatoria remained war zone. Civilians suffer as tone change on between government and opposition. Finally, to Juba, where the most politically sensitive story is unfolding. The treason and murder trial of Dr. Machar, the suspended first by president, has reached its 8th day. 3 of his allies were recently moved to Blue House, joining Petroleum Minister Koang, who has already been detained for a month. As if trial is not enough, President Salva Kiir has made new appointments that are seen as sending a dangerous signal. Well, let's first look at this story first. The treason and murder trial of Dr. Machar, the suspended first vice president, before we move to the people that were replaced and removed by Kiir Mayiendit. 3 of Dr. Machar allies were recently moved to the Blue Hours, according to the report, joining Petroleum Minister Koang, who has already been detained for a month. On October 8, a prosecutor presented new evidence, data from the National Communication Authority, report from Justice Minister and National Security device. A Samsung phone and a MacBook laptop allegedly belonged to Dr. Machar were present in the court. The defense strongly objected. They said this evidence was illegally collected without a court warrant, and that the mass evacuation of troops from Nasser was humanitarian, not treason. International voices, including the UN Security Council, had never blamed Machar for that incident. So why is the court pressing ahead as if the trial was not enough? So let's take a look at what Kiir did after the trial. President Salva Kiir Mayiendit has made new appointments that are seen as sending a dangerous signal. He appointed Koang as Deputy Minister of Defense, a man once removed from governorship and accused of killing Nuer civilians in Nasser. He also appointed General Paul Nang Majok as Chief of Defense Forces, another figure linked to violence in Nasser. Many see this move as rewarding men with blood on their hands, while at the same time Machar and his allies face trial. Is this coincidence, or is it Kiir Mayiendit's way of weakening the SPLM-IO and preparing for confrontation? For many South Sudanese, especially the Nuer community, this feels like a declaration of war, not a step toward peace. Meanwhile, families of detainees suffer, children grow without father, wives struggle alone, and detainees endure harsh conditions. One accused is Gadwe Lampoch, who was only recently allowed a brief family visit after a death in the family. So the next court session is scheduled for October 13, 2025. But for many, the trial has already lost legitimacy. The reason why Kiir Mayiendit appointed Paul Nang and Koang is because of what they did in Nasser. So according to this, they have promoted these two individuals so that Kiir Mayiendit can consolidate power. This is according to the report. Let us recap today extended news. In Jonglei, Dr. Reath Koang survived a gun attack. In Unity State, 2 men were injured in clash between Mayiendit and Panyujar. In Western Equatoria, the SSPDF recaptured Kadiba base, but fighting continued. And in Juba, Machar trial drag on while Kiir made controversial appointment that divide the country. The question remains, are we moving toward peace or drafting back to war? Biya Kamal Gwasame channel right checking content children Larry which in Winimi. Kan kono nyam gorno jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel. Comment mishi berej be shwamala shubikeji ban ju tati ban ka link do badana chika tuokaje. Ken nyam ban right ke menchi tuok re wike jongli ka Dr. Reath Koang, Director General of Health re wike jongli ban right kamanan chi tuok Mayiendit ka Unity State. Gwad mchane dangro cha mwike borten bana nyoko rai gwasa me ka jo mchala da kuma SSPDF eno ken chicken dine SPLIO chicken base dan tikitin me cha kebe ka gwasa change chicken ka witin ka jog bana racha ka kui lok dakring Machar akentin content bana ling chana jetok men dano de kon ling gwasa me men chitok ka kwer polo point rai which and winemi. Please go no jin subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel. Jo nam gwasa me chala do ka korun wangan paiwe ka changa badak ka jan no ka chanka bangman en walle ka paiwel chala do ne ka dora shal ke jongle wa cha me chakling gwad mi mo cha Dr. Reath Koang, Director General of Ministry of Health wajen cha jen yurika jen jene were wijbor jene ka Juba wa ka gwato chete ke wuni ti cha turbile cha je dwan mach jen cha ken duno cha turbile cha je bar wa jen men ken lunga nyudba Dr. Reath wa cha de nak duno cha ken ka jo ran chalat tinyo ne ngum ku ken rami mom la cuerpo la point ku ken la target ke jemo no rami mom la len jen ka hospital ke clinic na me wa der la message mete di jakana mo re wich ka jongle ke re wike South Sudan ne to ngare wike jongle chikala do na me chi jen changanyam ano ba na ba ka peda do konin tin paiwa wa chika na chicken kana da do che me chikon ling ne dangro chika liu ka ta na chik jibone na me wa qui insecurity ka man to ka state ka jongle gwan mi mo wa che te ka rebel to wan long te ke tin me ne gad jani kana murleni kana de content re romni tin kona maka na ka jodana chalat gwas mene munyodo mu darte lo cha insecurity dana to re wike jongle cha jare aleka wa ne me benong no korto wan gorga jeno de security de jalalet ne to wan der kana long re wichin binimi ko kome ngume tele mele de ka quitin jektin content to cha jomo cha jalat ka do dan en chi do ro lat ke je gor jeno de kon link ka lo de enemene Jordan ban nyoko mukwen kona gwaseme riga dana chitwok dorishal ke Mayiendit ka Unity State re wiki Unity State chala do te kring mu chitwok tin wa te kring mu chitwok ka local community wa ka chanka dokka jen jok na wa cha te kan wane te ne te mach ti jen ka pani jar county wa chicken ko mag dorishal ke Mayiendit county headquarter chi commissioner jong magok galwak te jome che jalat jenene dangro wunu dangro no chaka moy ka bot no netin kontin chiben jeni ne dangro cha moy ka bot te ram chi tet nien duno cha moy ne ka bot no kane de kone ya moy ka bot la victim wa ka gwad chal ka ro kwach primary health care unit jen gwad dan cha latin ko biken bot ken biken ko ngoten ta jomo cha jalat commissioner me che condemn jene lat ka media chi magwa chene diala content ka mach kiten cha na cha kera wa che jugo no jegalo gor kon mal kam no kon Mayiendit kana pani jar gor jeno de kan ta mal commissioner jene shen mishir me chen be gor no batong nyok te jo mo che jalat che rodo yaj jene me jen second attack ka kor gwa mi che ge pai wo ki korpat ka pani jar use waken chaka mak netin ten ka Mayiendit no waken let ka daik gwad danen la pula ka lel ke jetin la mala nyoy la ta grar ke je waje tekne de share ne realika ko shibanan wenamo chigene de ti chikan ka ben mak no chu korcho to ngwasama so me wo kon ka reality wa korto karo de ne ke 2019 kamneken gwam chwa peace conference chwa latin la dol mala tiji yun mistikatin wa chwa kan do dangro de ti panye jar kan Mayiendit wa chwa no na shu kan agree no kan bikan mal bikan lat kam ken ko bi ta kamal chu let ye chagwa du no ngode rektetin wa na chush kan ko ne te ko ne amoy ko bona wal wa tikatin ba wa kan de kon la reven la kan yalet ya jo me chaje kwene no jo me di en link ka do dan en chire ga me che to ko je gor de yero dun palping ke je jo den gwazmen bana kwen men dan che to ko Western Equatoria gwan mi shala de no SSPDF chicken beten te ka Kadiba be chicken kaf ka de ni aspele maigo bana jo me bana jilinga gwa South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF chikala do ne chicken Kadiba chicken capture Kadiba military base men te ka Mundri county na jen Kadiba base wajen charge kebni kuma SPLIO gwad mi mo chi national celebration from ken SPLIO charin mat and when mo chu kan gwad mo chu kan kef no chwa jo mo chwa jalat ka jo mo chala de SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Koang chala do ne jen cha kuma SPLIO cha ka jojok ka chang jan dang ru ngwan ka pai bongwan ken chi kan base kan nyoko me kep kan jene gwade dan me chugane mak ka chenge dan chenge nang rungwan chugane mak ka kore chugane nang nei dang diech la kan cha nang nei dang diech en gwade dan chi korje tokten ka chugan terbila chugane wang lare lurwe kongano jene dungno ka chenge dang dok 3 September chu kuma da la kuma SSPDF lure kong ladamo ajene chune kamak ajene chune base chale kadiba mo chune ka kuma spelayo chikan jo mo chila chikan lat lure kong ajene ka changa bakal ka paiwel ajene chinewo lo chinewo na ka dor chal ka na groton gwami mo chwane wo ambuistin kuma spelayo ajene chune nyinga ka ajene cha SSPDF che dini dang baro ka dini spelayo chakanak no din dang baro to chelaro chakanak but men chi lure kong la no te din dang baro shanak te ke video ni inshallah online kene turne turno to chala no ne de shanak wa ka civilian te je ga duel chala de shemana ken ne dang baro te to ka duel wa chu kan kanak jel kan ka civilian close shiga de ni chi lure kong la do ne ajene ne chine ure duel bine na bine ko nak bane de konen chine kan ne dang baro ajene ke dini ba dini ke dini asfelayo te jel ka civilian chikan jel ke bini akume te jomo che jalat so cha je jogo no mlade mo chi tok enetin ko kiente la community ji Equatoria ke Western Equatoria ano chiangwani te chia dini chia kanak ne te barkaro din ka kur chia ka jek duel chia ka mak chia kanak ne dang baro ngwan dang baro ka online kan ngwan dang baro tona chela do lure kon kan chikan nak bone manele ke hokten ten wanamo kani chikan nok chikan ganak gwa dan kur je tokten ko kana kur to go gwa no tie ka market ki tuk nyen gwa dan to korten ya jomo che jalat chala do wontama mrai konon kan kume SPLAU tele jomo chikan lat ke jan ler chala ne lure kon kan kume SPLAU spokesperson Lampol Gabriel tele mi chalatin tele je message mi chalat no net konter wache kume maraike kirmi yadit ramdana la spokesperson ko kume SSPD abajarwa jone no chikan kume SPLAU chikan jo dar chalke kadiba ajen jo dana chala di nona ngai kone gware which ka Western Equatoria na chuch kan long especially de kon la civilian e chimo kume SPLAU ko kume SPLAU kan rin kon nyen ke kume kirmi yadit la SSPDF kwade dan chan lingo no chicken de SSPDF chicken ga joj but ka kor chi machari pod binonga e chaga nyo mo ka base lo chi SSPDF chicken be chicken kan ka jo dan chalat duno na government choro latin chicken mi je chicken latin and kume maraike a point de and would me michal ke dak kirm yadi dene amen chalat wachi chon ke chemo go ko kan chicken civilian chicken kanak jo me de kon link ka do dan en che to ka je no gwada me bana waka ler do dien madan de konolin no ngai kon diale no kuma kirma yadit jana cheka kwany ne de to cheka kwany rai wichin binemi ala kwar tiang no no gwada wona kami Dr. Machar wa kamu lokaje ka tiang de no shu da shu kwar ko ken chu nyoko mo kwanyaka are gwada dane kana na kwany an court case dane chala do chetere ngwanung de sharia leka cheke document data tin National Communication Authority report from Justice Minister and National Security kene device ni Samsung phone ke MacBook laptop te laning Dr. Machar kan dia chaga present ka code e ke evidence ni ajo mo chaja kwen cha dong walung cha kalat en go tungod ba kulo ke chang wel jok ka pa bada ko cha luk cha je yonyam no na me mle harode mde kon dial te ka LinkedIn ka do badan en cha roje me cha lat keje kon dial ban ne me lingene na ka kor gwazedan me te Dr. Machar no te gwalok no ngai kon dial en wo cha kwarto ko ken cha nyom ko ingake kan kwarato ka kware kon tin te chit te korne ka nasir ka gwazedan me ba Dr. Machar ba je kule yen General Paul nang ke Koang chorale keneten kontin cha kwan ke cha realeka kenno bikana kwar cha Paul nang cha ja kwan ala chief of defense cha wudi chalme Koang chorale cha ja kwan ala deputy defense minister kan dang raw kenete mo chala do jogdi en tek kare ko kan chikan nganak chikan waris nur civilian chikan kanak re wichin winemi no antama chikir mi yadi chewo ko we ko pormonika che Koang chorale che mo ke position mi dit che we ka governor che le ko la deputy position mi dit long che wudo men Michal ga Paul nangane ka gwadi dan che kapchong barate me che ngod ba ko promone je che nyoko le langu ala kwer dini jen ala chief of defense no che dawa turjong che joj no che wudo me che lat gwade so mi china me en wo kwanye kare te kente ka karim ka chana cha kanak bu yenedi ne me de mal der reten chala do tel mu gor mal wajen wa chi kir mi yadit changung no koran wena mo ko ne ti kane da ngai kan wo ti shit civilian kan kan nak ka chi kana chi kan ga display chi kan la join ka rof ji cam hana kana ba ke cam ko le so mi chena me ami shoda lat re wucin gina mi mi lin kon mo gwas me ne tin wan dier kan lon ka do ba danan bu wan bo ka je ko in ga dang rawati ka bu ko let kel nen yal kan ka gwade dane shi kana kan nak ka chalo pur mo ne ka nyok alo jin mi jira mi mo mission wari ga nak and then baji promote na me beje long she chon ka shi mo ga ka jodan shalat ke je so channel right ti channel ka link and wo queen Koang shora le kana queen wood commercial ka me Paul nang majuk wa ken cha kwan ko te mal beben kwan ga ke kwit kur ajena dan le roda na me ka gorno de nyaga yakel no ani biya kamal gwasa meni ci kon lere content konde kon keling chana keling mi jiram jidid gwasa me gor jen wojin de subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mi chete ko mi ci baraj da shwa mala shubuke ji ko gor kono bana ngwan to ngwan bana keling gwata me bana chongten ani biya te kamal bye bye